is, all of you keep heading, equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Equations of, or else we can call simply equations of motion. Right. Equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion. So today I will say the derivations of equations of motion in mathematical way, and later next class we are going to study graphical method. Understand? Because graphical method is the most important in class 9. Every time one derivation used to ask in every kind of exam. If it is a normal exam or a unit test or a monthly, half yearly, quarterly, whatever it is, definitely the derivations of motion. We have 3 equations of motion. So from that, one equation surely will come for every exam. So now onwards, our complete class 9 physics is depends on these 3 equations. Every chapter, first we have totally 5 chapters. In that 4 chapters, completely depend on these equations only. If you don't know these equations and the derivations, you cannot solve the any numericals from this chapter. Not only this, next 3 chapters also. Force and laws of motion, gravitation, work and energy. Everywhere this we are having a work and energy not there, but remaining 3 chapters we have a importance of these 3 equations. That is why we must know both mathematical way of derivation as well as graphical method of derivation. So your textbook they have given only graphical method, but we will learn both mathematical method as well as graphical method. So if it comes to the equations of uniformly accelerated motion or equations of motion we used to call as. So basically we have 3 equations for the motion of those bodies which travel with uniform acceleration. You remember? So we have how many number of equations, Ra? So the bodies which are traveling uniform acceleration, we have 3 equations of motion. We have how many? 3 equations of motion. So what is that equation? Everybody should know. The first equation is V equals to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? V equals to
U plus
AT. And here you see V means what? Final velocity. U means initial velocity. A means acceleration. And T means time. You people understand or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, this is the first equation of motion. First, I will say the equations. Later, you understanding. So, how we need to derive also, I will teach you. So now, second equation of motion is S is equals to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Here, S means what? Anybody? S means what? S means what? Distance. Understand? Distance, U means initial velocity, time plus half at square. Half into acceleration into t square. That is second equation. Third equation is, understand, V square is equals to U square plus 2as. V square is equals to U square plus 2as. This is the equation 3. Or else also we can write this one as V square minus U square, which is equals to 2as. Both are same, remember. Is it both are same or not? U square will come this side, it will become minus U square. Yes or no? That is. So these are called as, these equations are called as, what we used to call? Equations of motion. What we used to call? 3 equations of motion. Now, we will learn the derivations, how we can derive this equation. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion, one by one. First mathematically. Today, mathematically. Next tomorrow onwards, graphical method. But everybody must learn. So if somebody will ask you, what is the equations of motion? Can you able to say what is that? Can you able to say now? All of you should say. First equation of motion. V equals to U plus
AT.
U plus AT. Second equation, S equals to UT plus half AT square.
Plus half AT
Third
square.
equation is V square is equals to U square plus 2s. Why boys are not saying, others are not saying? Manya, Samaya, Alana, everybody. So first equation, V equals to U plus AT. Second equation, S equals to UT plus half AT square. And third one, V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. That's all. Write it all of you. We have three equations of motion. We have three equations of motion. For which bodies, Ra? The bodies must travel with a what? The bodies must travel with what? Travel
Uniform acceleration.
Then only remember. Travel with a uniform acceleration. Then we have three equations of motion. So what is that first one? V equals to U plus AT. Second one, S equals to UT plus half AT square. Third one, V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. That's all. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So let's start now. Okay. After this, all of you keep heading. First equation of motion. Roman number 1 or 1 you can take. 1. First equation of motion. First equation of motion. We should derive array. Derivation should know. First equation of motion. So let us start with the first equation of motion. All of you keep heading. What is the first equation of motion, Ra? You should say. What is the first equation of motion? V is equals
B
to
is equal to U plus AT.
V is equals to U plus AT. And you remember, always this equation gives the velocity acquired by a body in time t. This equation gives, it gives what always? It gives what, Amma? It gives always, it gives the velocity acquired. Velocity acquired by a body in time t. By a body in time t. Then this equation. Shall we start now derivation? Derive this first equation. You first write it, all of you. Yes or no? Very, very simple derivation. It's not at all a difficulty. First equation. So first equation, derivation, heading you keep. First equation of motion, V equals to U plus AT. It gives the velocity acquired by a body in time t. Till here you write it and listen. If it completed, say yes. Then I will start solving. First equation of motion, you have to keep heading. First equation of motion, keep heading. Write this one, and if it is over, you say yes. I will start the solving derivation. Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, do it. Manya, Samya, respond. Mahalakshmi, Pradosh, Mavanesh, Tamil Selvan. Alan also. Do it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you tell me, at least give me yes or no. How many of you know acceleration? Solunga, acceleration formula, tell me. Acceleration formula. See your notebook and tell me if you don't know also. Acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration. First I want word formula. Word formula. See your notebook and tell me. Acceleration is equals to what? Wait, see Ra and tell me Ra. Acceleration. Acceleration is equals to what, Pradosh?
Change in velocity divided by time taken for change.
Change in velocity. Write it. Change in velocity divided by time taken. So now what is the meaning of time taken? Change in velocity. Next step, you see your notebook and tell me. Again acceleration. Or you can write. Again acceleration is equals to what? Say your notebook and tell me. Change in time, change in velocity means what?
Final velocity
T.
Final velocity minus
Final velocity minus initial
taken.
velocity divided by time taken T. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, substitute with the symbol. Acceleration we can represent with what? What is the symbol of acceleration? Hey, say, Ray, what is this?
E.
Then what you are remembering? Day by day you are forgetting everything. Acceleration symbol.
V.
A. Final velocity.
V minus U
Minus
by
initial velocity U divided by time taken T. That's all. Is it yes or no?
yes, sir.
Now, time is in division here. Will come this side. What will become? Time here is division. Will come this side. What will become?
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplication.
So A into T, which is equals to AT, which is equals to what? V minus U. Yes or
V
no?
minus U.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can write as a AT which equals to V minus U. Now, here U is in minus. Will come this side. What will become? Will come this side. What will become?
Plus.
Plus. So AT plus U, which is equals to V. You see, observe 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3, or 2 plus 1, both are same. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, minus only will vary. Plus is same. Now, can I write this one as U plus AT, which is equals to V? Is it right or wrong? U plus V, U plus AT, which is
Right, sir.
yes. Now just rearrange it. V is equals to U plus AT. So this is our first equation. Is it yes or no? Have you got the
Yes,
equation?
sir.
Have you got the equation or not? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Mathematical equation of first one we can derive like this. That's all. Derive all of you. From which equation we have derived? From acceleration. From which one?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. Tamil Selvan, are you understand? Manish, how to derive first equation mathematically? Manya, Samya. Alana won't respond. Okay. Manish also. Okay then. Completed means at least you say yes. So you tell me here, what is V? V equals to final velocity, U equals to initial velocity, A equals
Initial
to
velocity.
acceleration, and T is equals to time taken. T is equals to what, Amma?
Time taken.
Time taken. That's all. So this equation gives what? The velocity acquired by a body in time T. That is, you should remember. Completed, Manya and Samya? Any doubt? Ask me, please, kindly. Anybody is having any doubt to ask me?
No doubt, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. If it is no doubt, then go for next. Keep heading. What will keep heading? Second equation of motion. All of you keep. Second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Roman number 2. Second equation of motion. So what is second equation, Ra? Read and tell me. What is second equation? What is second equation?
Equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square by time taken.
Now, so second equation is equals to, observe, S equals to UT plus half AT square. Is it yes or no? Now, always you remember, this will gives the distance traveled by a body in time t. It gives distance traveled by a body in time t. in time t. Is it okay, da? Shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you ready? I'm ready. Are ready? Yeah.
1 minute.
Shall we start? Now, to derive this equation, we should know average velocity. Yesterday only we have studied. Can you say what is the average velocity formula, please, kindly? All of you. Derivation.
Average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by
equals to, yesterday
2.
only we have studied. Initial velocity plus, solunga. Initial velocity,
Initial velocity plus final
Plus-
velocity by 2.
final velocity divided by 2. Now, so modify with the symbols. Average velocity, write it. Average velocity, which is equals to what? Initial velocity. Initial velocity is what? U plus
U
final
plus
velocity
V by
is
2.
divided by 2. Till here, any doubt? You ask me. Anybody is having any doubt? Yes or no?
sir.
All of you. Say yes or no? Yes?
No, sir.
No.
Now, clear, no doubt. And also you observe, distance traveled is equals to some formula I have taught you yesterday class. You see it and tell me. Distance traveled is equals to, I have taught you some formula. Also we know that distance traveled is equals to some formula we have done. Let me imagine this is the equation number 1. Now, distance traveled is equals to, what is the formula I have taught you? See it and tell me. Distance traveled is equals to, see the formula, average velocity
Total
into
distance
time.
traveled by total time
Distance
taken.
traveled is equals to average velocity into time. You have it or not? This formula, you see it. Distance traveled is equals to average velocity into time. You have it or not? Tell me.
Yes,
Last
sir.
class I have taught you correct. Array velocity is equals to distance by time. Distance is equals to what? Average velocity into time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
this formula you have written yesterday, you have not written. Distance traveled is equals to average velocity into time. You have written, you see. Notebook, you see. You have written or not?
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
Now, distance traveled, what is the symbol, Ra? Distance traveled is equals to Tamil Selvan. Yes. Yes or no? What is the symbol of
Yes,
distance
sir.
traveled? Yes. And average velocity is equals to how much, Ra? Average velocity is equals to how much? Average velocity is equals to how much? Arey yaar, up
U
is there,
plus
correct?
V
U
by
plus V by 2.
U plus V by 2. Understanding? Next, into. Time is equals to how much? T. Is it yes or no? Any doubt, anybody? You ask me. Into T. Clear?
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
Now, assume as equation number 2. Clear is solve it all of you. If you have a doubt, you ask me. Average velocity is equals to U plus V by 2. Distance traveled is equals to average velocity into time. Just I have substituted. S equals to U plus V divided by 2 into time. That's all. This is equation number 2. Clear? Any doubt? Anybody? You tell me.
Sir, can you say it again?
Distance traveled is equals to average velocity into time. So what is the average velocity? Average velocity means initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. So I have substituted in place of average velocity, I have substituted U plus V by 2 into time means what? T. That's all. And the distance traveled is yes. That's all. Is it any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
No, sir.
Clear? Till here is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, observe very carefully. This is my equation because the board is not sufficient, so that I am rubbing Amma. Observe very carefully. What is the equation number 2? Tell me. Speak, yeah. Speak only you can understand. What is the equation number 2? From that you continue. Equation number 2 what? S equals to
S is equal to
U plus
U
V
minus
by
U
2.
plus
U
V by
minus
2.
what, Laksha? What are you talking?
U
U
plus
plus
V
V by 2 into T.
by
It's
2
average
into
velocity.
time.
How you are saying minus, sir? Laksha, minus or plus?
Plus only, sir.
You said minus. This is equation number 2. Now you tell me from first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion, Ra? From equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion?
P is equal to U plus AT.
First equation of motion. First equation of motion. What is V equals to? V equals to how much, Ra? U plus AT. Is it yes
U
or no?
plus AT.
Is it yes or no? Let us assume this is equation number 3. So means in the sense of, in place of V, can I substitute U plus AT? That is the meaning of this one. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Others. In place of V, can I substitute U plus
Yes,
AT?
sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Yes,
So
sir.
substitute equation 3. Equation 3 in equation 2. Equation 3 in equation 2. Can you able to say how the equation will come? S is equals to U plus V is equals to how much, Ra? V is equals to how much? V is equals to how much? V is equals to how much, Ra? Arey, from U plus AT. That's all. Nothing is there. Understand? U plus AT. So I no need to keep the bracket. Directly I can write because they are in addition. Into T divided by 2. Is it yes or not?
2.
Is it yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Now U plus S is equals to U plus U how much, Ra? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. Like that U plus U. 2U
U
plus
square.
AT into T divided by 2. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, you observe very carefully. Mathematics, you tell me. A plus B into C. How we can multiply mathematics? A into C, AC plus B into C, BC. Like this you will multiply. Is it yes or not? Mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, same way you tell me this is multiply. Multiply with the T and you tell me what it will come. What will come? 2U into T. 2UT. Is it yes or not? Plus 2U into T, 2UT. Yes or no?
ATT.
Next, AT into T.
Yes,
What will
sir.
happen? AT into T.
ATT.
What will happen? AT into T, T square. Yes or not? Amma, 2 into 2, what will happen? Amma, 2 square.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or not? Divided by.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, I can write as a 2UT plus S equals to, S must be, S equals to 2UT plus, next, AT square divided by 2. Till here, any doubt you ask me, solve it, all of it. First solve it, later only I will teach. Because I will teach, you cannot understand. Till here, you solve it, all of you. Alana, you understand, Alana? Please at least say me yes. Mahalakshmi. Samaya. Manya, Samaya is understanding. Mavanish, understand Mavanish? Tamil Selvan?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed? 3 year completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you tell me, is it this 2 is belongs to only for first one or both? Is it this 2 is belongs to both the terms or only first term? Is it this 2 is belongs to both the terms or first term? Is it belongs to both the
Both the
terms?
terms, sir.
Both the terms.
Both the terms. Is it correct or not? So can I write this one like this? S is equals to 2UT divided by 2 plus AT square divided by 2. Is it right or wrong? Will you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Right.
Right, sir.
Then 2 will get cancelled. Here 2 and 2 is there. Get cancelled. That's all. So then S equals to UT plus AT square by 2. So that is only our second equation. You see it. Is it right or wrong? But you may written like this. S is equals to UT plus half. First you have written half into AT square or AT square by 2. Both are same or not? 1 into AT square divided by 2. Same is not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So that is only the second equation. Derive it, all of you. I hope you understand. S equals to ut. I forgot t ray here. Don't forget ut plus half at square. That's all. Or else you can write at square by 2 also correct only. Not it is. Don't think that it is wrong. Both are correct. You can write you want. You can write s equals to ut plus at square by 2. But so people are making like that. S equals to ut plus half at square. They will say that is for pronunciation. It is good. That is why they will use that. But you can write at square by 2 also, both the same meaning is same. Yes or no?
Sir.
Second equation. Any doubt? Anybody you can ask me.
No doubt, sir.
So let them, Pradosh, you understand, but some other need to understand, correct?
Okay, sir.
Doubt,
sir.
Is it completed?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Then, if it is completed, then what is the next one? Third one. Third one you can keep heading. What you will keep heading? Third equation of motion. What will you keep heading?
Third equation of motion.
Third equation of motion. I am erasing this one, Amma. If you have doubt, you ask me kindly. Most important in our future. Every year these equations will come. There is no kind of class after this 9th without these equations. Equations of motion is everywhere. Everywhere in physics. That is what I am saying. So now second over. Who will be the next? Last equation. What is to call that? Third equation of motion. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, third one is very simple, Ra. But this is only the toughest one. But actually it is very simple. It is usually derived from with the help of first two equations. First two equations. See, with the help of first equation, we have derived second one. Correct? Now with the second and first, we are going to derive third equation. Second and first, we are going to derive third equation. Yes or no? Now, what is the third equation? Tell me. What is the third equation, Ra? Third equation. V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. That's all. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this equation, remember, always gives the velocity acquired by a body in traveling a distance. Yes. Remember, this gives the, it gives, note it down. It gives the velocity acquired by a body. Velocity acquired by a body. Velocity acquired by a body in traveling distances. In traveling a distance, yes. A distance, yes. Is there any doubt? Anybody you ask me? Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, you may remember, just for casualty I am saying, as we know that what is the speed formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Same way you tell me, time is equals to what is the formula? Distance by speed. Yes or no?
Distance
Time
by
is equals
speed.
to. As well as distance is equals to velocity or speed into time. This is the formulas which you have remembered. You remembered or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you remember this, then I will teach this easily. Okay. Shall we go for derivation now?
Yes, sir.
Let us see. What is the second
Yes,
equation
sir.
of motion? Tell me. From the second, what is the second equation of motion? First, what is the second equation of motion? You can keep from the second equation of motion. From the second equation of motion. What is the second equation, Ra? From the second equation of motion, what is that? S equals to
S is equal to
S is equal to
half
UT
AT
plus
square.
by T
Yes or
square
no?
by 2.
Yes, let us assume this is equation number 1. Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
No. Now, from the first equation, now how to derive? See, I will give the clue also. In this equation, is there any t term? T is there, time is there in this equation. Have you noticed it? Is there any time is there?
No,
Is there any time? So that's all. You can remove the time from the second equation, then you will get the third equation. Very simple. Just we don't have a time term in this. You have to remove the time. That's all from the second equation. Now, let us see how to remove it. Now, from the first equation, you tell me. From the first equation, what is the first equation, Ra? V equals to U plus AT. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Let us assume this is the equation number 2. Now, from this, please tell me the relation for t. I want t. T equals to I want it. How I can write it? T equals to what it will come? Please kindly tell me. First, you have to write V minus U is equals to AT. Is it yes or no? V minus U is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
AT. Now, from the t equals to what will come? T is equals to V minus U by A. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, that's all. This is the equation number 3. Or else you can directly write. What is the acceleration formula? Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From the t equals to what?
Yes, sir.
From the t equals to what will come? Tell me. From the t equals to what will come? From the t equals to what will
V
come?
minus U by
A.
A.
V minus U by A. That's all. Correct or not? Same thing we got it here also. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes or no? That is only
Yes,
first
sir.
equation. Correct, amma? We modified this is as a first equation. Nothing is there. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
Now, that's all. If you understand this, till here you do it. Later we will do it. Till here you complete it. Now nothing. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. That's all. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. You do it. I will do the substitution. Slowly we'll do it. No issues. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. That's all right. You will get the answer. Let us see first you do it. I will teach. Completed means I will stop this video meeting. Then we will again I will send the link. You just log in fastly, all of you. Do it, do it. Till here, any doubt you ask me. Alana, any doubt? Manish,
Sir, we have to subtract equation 3 and 1, sir.
no, equation substitute, not subtract. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1.
Sir, can you say once again how t is equal to v minus u by a?
T is equals to V minus U by A. Acceleration, amma. Acceleration is equals to what? Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. That's all. Correct, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Now, like a speed, you tell me. Speed is equals to what is the formula? Distance by time. Time is equals to what? Distance by speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The same way now you see.
Yes, sir.
T will come here, A will go here. That's all. So T is equals to V minus U by A. The same thing we got it. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Clear or not, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Till here is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then I will end.
Completed, sir.
Yeah, I will end the meeting, then we will start it. Do it.